No more white skin, black skin, yellow skin. We are one race, the human race. Have you ever looked into the eyes of a child? No skin color, no borders, just the pure light of a soul, living, loving, waiting to be embraced. We've become so used to the labels, white, black, yellow, Asia, Europe, America, Africa. But if we strip away those labels, only one truth remains. We are all human. We are one, the human race. And maybe it's time we remember that. We were programmed to separate. Since childhood, we've been taught to name each other by colors: white skin, black skin, yellow skin. Innocent words, perhaps. But over time, they became labels. And from labels came distance. We didn't build the walls ourselves, but we grew up within them. Walls of language, prejudice, and a bloody history. Invisible walls, yet suffocatingly real. And in the process, we forgot who we were before the separation. Here's a truth that might surprise you. Your DNA and mine, 99.9% identical. We are fragments of the same cosmic design. You cried when you lost your mother? So did I. You once sat alone in the dark, wishing someone would understand you? I've been there too. We are not only biologically similar, but emotionally alike. Our pain, our hopes, our longing to be loved. We're not different. We've just forgotten how to see each other. Humanity has enslaved, killed, and shamed one another just for having different skin. Children torn from their parents, people beaten in the streets because their face didn't belong where they stood. The history of humanity is not just golden pages. It's also bloodstains that haven't yet dried. And deep in our subconscious, those wounds still echo, making us shrink back whenever we see someone who looks different. But the awakening has begun. But do you feel it? Something is changing. More and more people are waking up. They no longer ask where you're from or what color you are. They ask, are you true? Love is returning. Like sunlight after the storm, empathy is rising, breaking through every passport and border. A new generation is rising, not living in fear, but living in truth. And when we realize, we are one. Imagine if all of humanity remembered one thing, that you are not other. You are me, in a different form. We are all tiny drops from the same ocean of consciousness. If one person hurts, we all hurt. If one person heals, the whole world heals. That day is coming. A day when people look at each other and no longer see skin, only see each other. Imagine a world where there is no more us and them, where children are no longer taught to fear color, where people see each other, not through differences, but through the eyes of a soul walking alongside another. We've passed through centuries of division, but now we can choose something else. We can choose love. We can choose unity. And most of all, we can remember the sacred truth. We are one. If you feel this truth, don't keep it to yourself. Like, subscribe, and share this light with those you love, because light truly shines when it is shared. No more white, no more black, no more yellow, no more division. Only one sacred truth remains. We are the human race.